Hey YouTube, most of my builds so far have been pretty rough outdoor furniture or garage furniture to gain experience and confidence. I feel like I am ready to start building the finer pieces of indoor furniture, and we're ready to stop sleeping on the ground. The bed frame is a little intimidating, so I'm going to start with making a nightstand. Let's do some research and see what's out there. Finished the research. We are going with Shara from Woodshop Diaries and making her mid-century modern nightstands. There's a lot of new tools to buy, so I'm going to pick these up first and check for these because I want to make sure I have everything to build it before buying the sheet goods and the wood that we need. Let's go shopping. We got our new toys. The video says to use a dedicated circular saw to rip plywood because once that is attached, if you are taking it on and off, the consistency and cuts might be off. Let's unbox everything and get it hooked up. Got the Kreg rip cut setup done. I have a 40 tooth finished plywood blade on here. I could see why it's a good idea to have a dedicated circular saw because if you're mounting this each time, this can definitely change. I eyeballed where this is, and now we're gonna go into the garage and make a few test cuts to calibrate it correctly. We are in Home Depot's parking lot. I got my safety gear. I am ready to rip. I have 8 of these 1x2x2 purple foam insulation on the bottom. I will cut through that and everything should fit into my car because the reason we're doing this is it doesn't fit in the car, so we'll rip it in a parking lot. Back from Home Depot, got the 15-inch and 16-inch rip cuts. I think these are scrap. Hopefully I don't have to use them if I mess up the other ones. Really happy with how the rip cut jig is doing, and with the foam, going to now make the cross cuts. The good news, my cuts are coming out pretty clean. Here is the 14-inch piece, and here is the 22. The bad news is I calibrated my saw a little too close to the sled. And as you can see from all the blue specks, I trimmed this edge a little bit. Not sure if that is detrimental or not, but I am happy with the cuts. Going to assemble the box with pocket hole jig. Got the inner box done. That was my first time using the Kreg pocket hole jig, and it was pretty easy and pretty fun. Going to cut a few pieces of 5-inch scraps to put there so I could place the middle shelf and fasten it down with a few wood fasteners. Got the middle shelf installed. I have these 1¼ inch wood screws. I put in 3 on each side. Going to work on cross-cutting the 16 inches for the outside box. I got the outside part all done, but I have to wait for Amazon to bring the edge banding to do final assembly. But I could work on the legs. Gonna use those scrap pieces to cut out the legs. I got one of the legs made. The front, I will still use the circular saw to cut because it has that fine tooth blade, same as the top and bottom. But the, the back will need the jigsaw, and it has a lot of tear out. But it's in the back so no one will see it. With a little bit of sanding, it does look okay. I am going to do that 7 more times. It is getting dark, so I'm gonna close the garage soon. I did end up getting all 8 legs done. They're relatively flat. The inside's pretty chewed up because the Jigsaw is a pretty rough cut. With a little sanding, they do look okay. Now we are heading inside to do edge banding on every piece and see how much work we can get done in there. I borrowed my wife's iron to get this iron on edge banding. It's not perfect, but looks pretty good. I'm going to pick what pieces I want for the sides to glue them and clamp them down. While that is setting, going to do edge banding on the other parts. I got the outer sides glued and clamped together to the inner box. I'm gonna stop the video here because I don't have any more clamps, so I'm gonna go buy some clamps. But I also want to give the glue plenty of time to dry, and this video seems to be getting too long. Going to break it into 2 parts. Video 42 done. First real piece of indoor furniture. Vanguard.